silly animal charades. My turn. I should get this one. Oh. Hey. Cock. Cock.
A bird. A crow.
Seagull. Yes. That's correct. That's great. This one. Okay.
Playing the guitar.
Yes. Seagull playing. Yes.
We're gonna show you how to play silly animal charades so you can play too.
This is what you need to make silly animal charades. First, you need to make your animal cards.
Print your animal off the internet and go on with adults. You don't want to go on by yourself.
You can cut animals out of magazines like these. Or you can color them. I'm cutting out this cute koala that I found. I want to make a dragon.
And you can make any type of animal you want. You can make a rainforest animal, you can make a desert animal, even a water animal.
While we make our cards, I'm going to show you how to play silly animal charades. To play, you pick an animal first, and then you act it out. And just like regular charades, the kids have to guess what your animal is. Once they've guessed your animal, you go back to the bins and you pick an action for your animal to do. You act out your animal doing that action, and the other players have to guess what action your animal is doing. And then it's someone else's turn. And that's how you play silly animal charades. Once you have your animal, you can glue it on a card. And after I glue this on the card, this is going in the animal bin with this cute koala I cut out earlier.
Next, you have to find some actions.
I'm gonna take this very cute squirrel reading. I'm gonna glue it on that card right there. And I'm gonna put it in the actions bin, right there. My turn. Kangaroo.
Yes.
Kangaroo.
It was a kangaroo. I'm gonna pick an action.
Okay. I wonder what it is this time. It's a kangaroo skipping rope.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, crocodile.
Yes.
At first, I thought you were trying to
Be a shark.
yeah, or
Something
something.
like that. Close your eyes. I mean, close it. A crocodile
Stretching.
stretching. Yes.